Oh, I think that's my Uber. Where are you?
But I think my Uber's here. Hey, right here.
But then most of the time, like I said, I feel pretty safe because I believe in God and I pray before I come out. I think it should be legal, yeah, because we take a chance out here. I think it should be legal.
They're sitting ducks right now. What I'm attempting to do is put out the message that Uber drivers, Lyft drivers are not soft targets.
I don't know that I would want to ride with someone, though, if they were carrying a firearm.
I don't know. What if somebody who's crazy passenger got a hold of the weapon and then used it against the Uber person?
That wouldn't bother me. I mean, it's within their legal right, and if they need to protect themselves, then they should have the right to.